Hello everyone, myself Professor Nayan Asning from Department of Information Technology, Parvatibai Genbamose College of Engineering, Bagoli. So we have started the online lectures of every subject. So I am taking the subject of BIT, that is Software Designing and Modeling. So previously I have shared the syllabus of BIT, and for this particular subject we have the 6th unit in the syllabus. The first unit is Object Oriented Methodologies and UML. The second unit is Object Oriented Analysis. The third unit is Interaction and Behavior Modeling. Fourth one is Object Oriented Design. Fifth is Design Principle and Patterns. And sixth is Architectural Design. So for this video we'll start with very first unit, that is Object Oriented Methodologies and UML. So this particular unit contains the 3 sections. In first section we'll see the views of software development. In that we have some traditional approaches, traditional system development methodologies. Then we have object oriented analysis and design, which contains the UML. Then we have importance of object orientation. In the second part of this unit have some object oriented methodologies. So it totally contains the object oriented design, then object modeling techniques, then object oriented analysis, then object oriented software engineering, how software engineering works with the object oriented technology. And the third part contains the unified approach. In that we have object oriented analysis, object oriented designing, iterative development and continuous testing, then UML based on modeling, then layered approach and unified modeling language. So this unit is basically divided into the 3 sections, first, second and third. In this first video we'll go with the very basic things. Firstly we'll understand what actually the subject is, what actually the subject contains. The name of the subject is software designing and modeling, so we need to firstly understand what the software designing is and what the software modeling is. So we'll start with the basic thing, that is the software designing. So software design is the process of defining software methods, function, objects and overall structure, and the interaction of your code so that its resulting functionality will be satisfied by the user requirement. There are many different ways of designing software. All of them come with initial designing and then refining it's necessary. Your software designing should include the description of overall architecture. It should include the software hardware, databases and the third-party framework that your software will interact with. So overall, this is the picture of what is running, where the things are running and how the parts are interacting with each other. Software designing should include all the APIs. APIs means application programming interfaces. So that is used by your code or by the external code that calls your code. So what actually the software designing mention? It mentioned what the architecture is, what the hardwares are there, what databases we are using, what third party frameworks we are using, or what the third party frameworks or APIs our code is interacting with. So software designing will give the rough idea of the architecture. Then when we comes with the software modeling, the software modeling according to object modeling group, the modeling is designing of software application before coding. In the modeling based software designing and development, software modeling is used as an essential part of software development process. Models are built, analyzed prior to the implementation of the system. Means what? Whatever requirements, whatever hardware, whatever databases, whatever third-party frameworks, whatever the APIs are collected in software designing phase, all are combined and architected by the software modeling phase. So that is a work of software modeling. As we have seen the different stages of software process, that is your communication, your design, your requirement analysis, your software designing or the application designing, then your modeling, then your development, then testing and then deployment. So this subject will work, or this subject will contain between the third and fourth phase, that is your software designing and software modeling. whatever the requirements which are collected by the customers, depend on that requirement, the software designing will happen. What databases, what hardwares, what APIs, what other supported tools are needed for this particular application, and depending on the software designing, the modeling will come. Now we have the example of modeling, that is UML. We actually in all the phases in basically software modeling, UML is used. That is your use case diagrams, your class diagrams, your sequence diagrams, for defining the requirements, defining the workflow, defining your application. So UML is one of the language in a software modeling to define all the things, how it will be happen, how the things will flow from one thing to another, from one flow to another. So this video will contain only the basic part, introduction to the basic to your subject, and from the next video we'll start with actually your unit 1, which is object oriented methodologies and the UML. Hope you understand what actually basic the subject is, and if you have any queries you can comment in the comment section, or whenever we are having a Zoom section after completing your first unit, you can also ask there. So thank you so much.